Let's see what surprises this Barbie color reveal has for us today.
The 3B Kids of Texas!
This is where our magic Barbie is. We'll check it out later. Now we're going to empty what's in this box. Each of these boxes have a purpose. Hold on to them. It's also a game. This becomes your photo booth background. Let's take a spin. There are so many surprises in here. I'll show you just a few. The cupcakes. There's even a disco ball with confetti. It's such a fun board game we could play all afternoon. Let's do it! Ta-da! This was my color reveal Barbie. They start like this, and this is what she looks like after. Now it's time to play. But wait, there's more. We have color reveal animals. Check out this before and after. Now it's time to party. Stay tuned to our channel. My sister will show you her Barbie color soon. Until then, thanks for watching.